Turkey's robotic ground force, the future of warfare revealed. After the international acclaim of Turkey's TB2 drone in Ukraine, the country now turns its focus to unmanned ground vehicles. Local Turkish companies are keen to develop these robotic systems, hoping they will be proven in combat by the Turkish military, boosting their export potential. The potential market for these unmanned systems includes the Middle East, Caucasus, Africa, and Asia. Katmerciler and Aselsan are collaborating on the Tunga, a hybrid-powered, medium-weight, tracked unmanned ground vehicle. Otokar, another Turkish company, introduced Halpa, a heavyweight unmanned vehicle with stealth features and a range of functionalities, including reconnaissance and anti-tank warfare. As asymmetrical warfare threats increase, unmanned ground vehicles, UGVs, are becoming more important, especially in countries like Turkey. Turkish military aims to operate drone swarms across multiple domains. Havelsan, a software company, has showcased this concept with successful interoperability tests between aerial drones and ground vehicles. Havelsan's Bark, an unmanned ground vehicle, has been delivered to the Turkish military, and plans for delivering the Baha UAV are underway. The goal is to market and export aerial and ground vehicles as combined units. Interest has already been shown from Central Asian, Middle Eastern, and African markets. Analysts are cautiously optimistic about Turkey replicating its success in aerial drone technology in ground systems. Cost efficiency in producing these ground systems remains a critical factor. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI Plus Drones Plus Military, don't forget to subscribe.